Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If this is your first time watching me, then you're welcome. My name is Onyinye. So nice to meet you. Please do subscribe. Okay guys, in this video we are going to be comparing a camera and a phone. Which one should you get? And I know that there are a lot of videos online, like on YouTube, that talk about which one you should get based on like quality, based on like the specification, what you get with like a camera, and that's great, okay? But there are other things for you to also consider in 2021 before you decide to either upgrade your phone or get a camera for content creation. So that's what I'm going to be talking about. Yes, I can still do a video talking about specifications and all, which is great, all right, but I really want to talk about other things that determine the major device that you should be using to create content, because now people are creating fire content with their phones. People are creating amazing videos, taking great pictures with their phone. So a camera is not really seen as a necessity for content creation in 2021. But we need to get to the point where you can make the decision. So at the end of this video, you're going to be able to do that, make the decision between, okay, either I go for a better phone or I decide to put my money to a camera, because these days the price difference is not that much. The gap is coming closer. Yeah, so let's go into this video. Ensure you give this video a thumbs up so more people get to share it and learn like you are, and watch the ads and watch till the end. Let's roll. Very first thing I want you to ask yourself is, where do I shoot most of my content? Where do I shoot most of my content? Now, if you're an indoor person, I would advise you lean towards getting a camera, okay? But if you shoot your content outdoor, like you do vlogs, you do like lifestyle content, go out to locations, then I'd advise you to lean towards getting a phone. And the reason is because when it comes to shooting outdoor with cameras, it might be cumbersome, it just might be difficult. I mean, once you start, you have to do settings, you have to be adjusting your settings to the sun, the brightness, everything, and it just might make you miss out on good clips. A good amount of the clips you see, like I vlog outdoor, I take them with my phone. Another reason for this is harassment. So a lot of times when I go out with my camera, my dad told, oh, we can shoot here, you have to pay a ridiculous amount to shoot here. They start to question you. Some of them even, they deny you access to their place because you have a camera with you. So those type of reasons are off. Another reason is because security here in Nigeria is kind of an issue, and there are places where you go to and then you meet like thugs that are saying, mama, give us money, we'll not allow you to shoot here if you don't give us money and all. So those kind of things can happen. So if you do most of your content outside, I say you lean towards getting a phone. Like, nobody's going to harass you or come and say, oh no, you can't take picture with your phone here. I haven't heard of that and I haven't experienced that, okay? Most people have issues with you using your camera outside. So just so that your content creation process is smooth, is seamless, you enjoy it and all, I just advise that you lean towards a phone. I feel like it will pay you more, because imagine you go out to just your camera and you want to get a clip out there and they say, oh no, you can't use your camera here, and they're really threatening you. You've missed out getting a good clip, something that you could have just gotten on your phone. So I would say lean towards getting a phone than a camera if most of your content is outdoor. Next thing I'm going to ask you is, what's your content type? Are you doing more of lifestyle vlogs, like vlogging day in your life, going out and all? If you're doing that, just to buttress on the very first reason, please lean towards a phone, okay? If you're doing sit down videos like this particular one that I'm doing, you're doing makeup tutorials, you're doing like hair tutorials, anything that requires you staying at a place and all, then I would say go for a camera. This is because most of the time you need to do close-up videos, and a camera picks details better than a phone would. So you can maybe go for a camera, get a 50mm lens, get that blurry background, because that's really what your video needs. Your video doesn't need all those things. You can get lighting if you don't have enough natural light to use to film your video. So I say go towards a camera if you're going to be doing sit down videos, talks, those type of things, and go for a camera. It would pay you better than a phone. So another thing is, how much space do you have? How much space do you have? That is, now if you're going to be doing indoor content, okay, how much space do you have? Now if you have a large room, like you have enough space for lighting, for this and that, then go for a camera. Alright, most of the time when people get cameras, the cheaper lenses are like 30mm, 35, 50mm. Now those type of lenses crop in, they zoom in. So if you have very little space, you're not going to be able to maximize that space, get the beautiful video you want. It's just going to be so close and you just might be struggling with space. So I would say if you have large space, go for a camera. If you have a smaller space, then go for a phone. This is just going to help you. So you can just maybe put your phone by your window and then hit record. So you just have to clear like the back of your room, whatever it is, so you can do that. There are people that use their iPhone to like make YouTube videos in like their college room, and it's actually good. Just wait for that moment where the sun hits your window, be ready, and then hit record. You can also use your phone to film videos with not artificial light, like the two soft boxes I have in front of me here. So you can use that, even a ring light. But if you have small space, then I say go for a phone. Having a camera and you don't have enough space can be quite frustrating, especially if you go for a 50mm lens that is going to crop in very, very much. I use a 30mm lens, and the reason why I got this was because of space as well. Next thing I need you to ask yourself is, where do you do most of your editing? Where do you do most of your editing? Now, if you edit on your phone a lot, like maybe you do like quick video, like maybe like TikTok videos, reels, then I would say go for a phone. So you just film there, you move it to your editing app, whatever it is you're using, whether it's InShot or any other app you want to use, move it there and then do your editing there. It's easy. Now, if you edit on a laptop, or you have more affinity for editing on laptop, like laptop softwares like Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, then you can now go to a camera, go for a camera, so you can just transfer your files there easily and do your editing there. I feel like it's better. It's easier for you to transfer from your SD card, like from your camera, to your laptop than a phone, especially if you're using an iPhone. You know how cumbersome it might be trying to transfer from your phone to your laptop. So I would say go for a camera if you're more of a laptop person. If you're more of a phone person, or your type of content requires you doing editing on phones, then go with a phone. Better. So next I'm going to ask you is, what's your platform? All right, now we have Instagram, we have TikTok, okay, and here we have YouTube and we have blog, like you have a website. Now if you are in this category of YouTube and blog, then go for a camera. All right, those type of places, they deal with like quality. You guys already understand the type of content that goes on YouTube. Now on Instagram, it's more of chilled content that goes up there, like the IG reels, like the types of content that do well on Instagram are even the ones that are edited on there. So TikTok videos, you can film it on TikTok, you can edit it on TikTok, and most of your editing will be done there. So it makes the whole process easier, to be honest. Instagram reels as well, you can film your IG reels there, you can edit it there and then post it there. Now that's good. Naturally with my page, I've noticed that most of the content that I do with like my phone, they tend to perform better than camera content, like quality, like pictures taken with a camera, and also phone content, they do well. I had another blogger that I was following that also complained about the same thing. She said that when she tries her best, she does outdoor shoots, she carries reflector outside, the content doesn't do as well as when she just goes out to have like lunch with her friends and she takes a picture. That type of content does so well. So I feel like those platforms, they digest phone content better than camera content. Okay, now this is different for your niche or your field, whatever it is, but I think for me that is one thing that I've noticed. I was also filming my styling videos before with my camera, but I noticed that every time it looks so good edited on my laptop, and then when I export it to my phone and post on Instagram, the quality is like is always off. Like Instagram just cleans the quality, takes it away, and gives me tissue paper. So I just feel like when I made the switch to like my phone, I noticed that the quality remained the same throughout like the whole process. I don't really understand the mathematics or the reason behind that, but it's just something that I've noticed. So I feel like if you're doing more of TikTok, Instagram reels, then definitely go for a better phone, or maybe you're just about to start, then invest in a very, very good phone. Great. So if you're going to be doing like blog, like YouTube content, then this place is better. Go for a camera. Okay, go for a camera, invest in lighting, all those type of things, because actually lighting is the main thing. You can make or break a video. There's some, if you have low light or you have poor lighting, no matter the gear you're using, the video is not going to be quality, the picture is not going to be quality. So it's just very, very important. So I've given you guys 5 different scenarios. I've given you guys 5 different things you should ask yourself before you decide to take that step. So let me know in the comment section, what's it going to be? What do you think your brand needs at this point? Do you think you need a better phone or you need a camera? or a better camera? Which one is it going to be for you? Leave a comment in the description box, in the comment section rather. I need to stop making that mistake. In the comment section, okay, let me know what you need. I think for me, I'm currently doing a bit of both, like 50-50 kind of. So I'm trying to balance it out. So I use my phone to create content, and I also use my camera to create content, but most of the time I use my camera for YouTube content here, and then on Instagram I use my phone. Like 80% of the content on my Instagram page is phone content. So guys, that's it. Leave a comment for me, like this video, of course, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next one.